In this episode of Cobb TV, we are going to be reviewing a 5-piece drum kit by E-Star Music. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome musical content. So let's get right into it. We have a 20-inch bass drum, complete with a sound port, a 10-inch rack tom, a 12-inch rack tom, 16-inch floor tom, 16-inch crash, complete with the stand, a set of 14-inch hi-hats complete with a hi-hat stand, a 14-inch snare, and a bass drum pedal, as well as a drum throne. Yes, everything you see here is what you get. And now let's get right into it. So, my favorite part of the kit is actually the heads that come on the bass drum, the toms. They have kind of a reinforced coat on them. A lot of the drum heads that you get on stock drum kits are a very thin plastic. They have a lot of ring to them. These ones aren't so bad. I'll go over how the drums sound. I did a little bit of tuning on them. I didn't do anything extra. Everything you see and hear is going to be what came in the box. The bass drum pedal, I'll say, is another big takeaway. It's actually a really decent one. It's better than my first bass drum pedal that I received. It took a second for me to calibrate them, but this is essentially the sound you get when stepping on the hi-hats. It's probably a cheap type of brass here, but again, cymbals are expensive, and you're kind of getting a full package deal with this. Crash cymbal. Actually really like this little washer here. This is the instruction manual for the kit, for assembling the kit. It's just one page front and back, and what's cool about the back side is it actually has some music there, and it looks like it's Rock and Roll by Led Zeppelin, at least an interpretation of it, and I'll actually play that for you right now. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, the 5-piece drum kit, including a set of hi-hats, hi-hat stand, kick drum pedal, cymbal stand, cymbal, and drum throne by E-Star Music in the starry blue finish. If you would like to purchase this kit, it comes in 3 different colors. Check out the links in the description, and you can get a discount on it if you use promo code Cobb. That's C-O-B-B in all caps, but it also works lowercase or capital C, however you want to type it in. Thank you again to Donner Music for hooking me up with these. And again, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more awesome musical content. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.